Good morning. Today is the first day of Microsoft Ignite conference and I'm very excited to get started on it, but sad that I have to leave this amazing hotel. I love staying here at the Dolphin. I've been lucky enough to have stayed here before. Just what an amazing view. Look at that. Tower of Terror right there. I wasn't here to see the fireworks, which would have been awesome, but I was also having an awesome time having dinner with Tim and watching all the fireworks from up on top of the Four Seasons and having an incredible dinner. I didn't do a room tour because I was in such a rush when I got here, and of course my bed's a mess. But it is a very nice, extremely comfortable room. You've got everything you need. There's a fridge down here. I had to iron a shirt, so got that covered. Nice bathroom, great amenities. Hello. And yeah, it's great. And Starbucks coffee, thank goodness. Well, here I am at Microsoft Ignite conference. I'm not sure what they're gonna let me film while I'm here, but in the meantime, just getting started. I'm gonna watch the keynote speech. I think it's already started. Wow, this is huge.
When we hear from customers jointly, and we bring together our technology, we can architect this. So I'm really thrilled to be here. I think, the Open Data Initiative really puts the power of your data in your hands, and I think we can together reimagine the customer experience management category.
I just finished watching the keynote, and now we've got a mass of humanity coming out of the big conference area. And so now I'm just going to go start looking for some of all the breakout sessions. I've got a whole bunch of stuff scheduled, and this is exciting. I'm really looking forward to this. This is my thing. This is what I do. This is absolutely intense. I've been walking for miles. It's just oceans of people everywhere. Look at all these nerds. I'm one of them. As far as I can tell, Microsoft has the entire Orange County Convention Center. It took me, I don't know, I feel like I've been walking non-stop. I'm just trying to orient myself here. But I did find where my session is going to be, my first session right here, which is going to be a deep dive into Microsoft Server 2019. I realize this isn't very exciting unless you're a computer nerd like me. Just the scale of this place is incredible. Check out just all the food that they have here for people. Wow. All right, well, I am now heading to the shuttles because I checked into the Hard Rock, and there are shuttle buses that take me back to the Orange County Convention Center, which is great because I really don't want to drive. I had to park in South, and the conference pretty much that I'm going to is in the West, although the whole convention center is completely taken over by Microsoft. So anyways, heading back to the convention center and to the Microsoft Ignite conference. While I'm back here, I just started chatting with some folks about different Azure cloud data services and all kinds of super duper nerdy stuff. This is the biggest screen I've ever seen in my life. I don't know what's going on here. But that's a big screen.
So much, it's good to be here. No stranger to Microsoft Mechanics. Now, we've been hearing a lot about IoT and the work that Microsoft's been doing in this space over the past year, and I know that you yourself are an early adopter of the technology, but for those among us who are waiting for the technology to prove itself a little bit more, how real is it today, and what are some of the applications that you're seeing?
Very cool. It's my hotel. Staying at the Hard Rock. I have not received a text yet that my room is ready, so I'm just going to wander about. It's not something you see at your average hotel. Oh, some Motley Crue, classic Motley Crue happening. I'd say this is probably the only hotel where when I asked how to get to my room, they said, yeah, just walk this way and then take a right at Elvis's Pajamas. Well, there's Elvis's Pajamas. And there we are. Well, here I am. This is my room. But yeah, look, it's pretty nice. Big bathroom. And yeah, a couple of double beds. But, yeah, pretty nice. I was just looking at the room service menu. And this is a pet-friendly hotel. So they've got... Who brings their bird or their lizard on vacation? Cool. Do these have dual meanings? Nope. Quiet, please. Be nice. Good advice. So I was gonna go to Disney tonight, but sometimes plans you make months before you get to Florida don't always have to be, you know, you don't have to stick to them. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm tired. I'll put it bluntly. So I'm at Universal. Why don't I just go to Universal? So that's what I'm doing. Taking advantage of this boat service that they have that takes me to City Walk. So let's see how this goes. So this is the first for me, taking a boat to Universal. That's pretty cool. King of the boat. King of the boat. Well, I'm back at Universal. It's not Horror Nights tonight. I wish it was, but I am back. Let's see how this goes. So it's been quite a long time, but I'm gonna ride Despicable Me. 30-minute wait, but I got the express pass, so I'm in. I love it in here. So I'm not sure how many rides I'll be able to get in. I just realized that I'd never ridden Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem, or whatever it's called, Despicable Me, in Orlando. It's exactly the same ride as in California, but I just had never done it. But here's another one that's exactly the same in California. Transformers. Let's do it. Actually, no. It's broke down right now. Well, that's cool. It was closed. Just as I was staying there, they just opened up the chain. So I'm basically the first one on. I don't know if I really needed the express pass, but I'm using it because I got it. We did it! Defeated the Decepticons. And now, can I defeat time? Because I got 15 minutes before the park closes. I'm going to see if I can get on Simpsons. Let's see. This looks so cool for Horror Nights. I can't wait to try it. Can't wait to try Horror Nights. I'm on. That's pretty good. 1 hour, I got 3 rides in. So I'm going to head over to Islands of Adventure, ride out the rest of the night, as many rides as I can,
they didn't want to accept that.
and call it a night because I need sleep. This is so awesome. I would love to do this at our place. I just need a lot of equipment and a lot of pumpkins. Oh, and money. Bags of money. The adventure begins. I love Hulk, but I'm not riding it tonight. I'm gonna try to get in as much as I can, and I don't want to have to deal with the lockers and all that stuff, so I'm just gonna ride all the stuff that I can just get on quick and easy. Probably do Dr. Doom, Spider-Man. Oh, let's go ride Kong. Let's go all the way to the back there and ride Kong. The air conditioning in this queue is amazing. Feels so good. All right, let's finish Spider-Man. Let's do Dr. Doom's Fearfall. I love this ride. Well, that was a really fun evening. I love Universal. I love Disney, and I love Universal. They're different, but I love them both. That's it for me for tonight. Thanks for coming along. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Oh, yes. Good night, everybody.